Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you the unboxing of this gorgeous diamond painting that I purchased at TJ Maxx, surprisingly, for $7.99. Look at this gorgeous image. I fell in love with it when I saw it. But before we open it, I would like to give you an update of what I'm working on right now. In my previous videos, far as I remember, I mentioned starting this very kit, Carousel, but instead I started working on this very kit. As far as I remember, the name is Winter Forest, but I can be wrong because, to tell you the truth, I wanted to rest a little bit from my pink castle and diamond paint something easy. This kit has only 25 colors versus Carousel with 53. So that's how it's turning out. I'm almost half done. And my daughter also completed this very bookmark from Make Market. It was their last year's kits, and this one. So, and now we are going back to unboxing. So to tell you the truth, I was very surprised to find a diamond painting of this kind in TJ Maxx. Don't take me wrong, I purchased diamond paintings before and saw them at TJ Maxx, but what's special about this one is that you can see the completed diamond painting kit here on the preview picture. Not a single one before that had it. And over here as well. And I'm not sure about the name of this kit in the sense of the brand. As far as I understand, the brand is Amy Hall. So I should definitely check it out because I really like how it turned out here on the preview picture. So it comes in this very box. Let's open it and see how it is packaged inside. Okay, that's how it is inside. Oh, let's see. Everything is in here. Really neatly packaged, and I can see the magnet frame that comes with this very kit, which is nice. I don't have to frame it actually. So let's start with the canvas. Okay, so as to the canvas quality, this is just a standard, it's dirty here, it's just a standard canvas that we can find at AliExpress. Let me zoom it in so that you can see it better. So just a regular cheap canvas. However, there is a poured glue on the canvas itself. Well, it's pretty sticky. See, that's how it looks. And I really love the design. And what I can see on the preview, I guess I can make a conclusion that it will turn out pretty detailed because this is a preview of the finished diamond painting. I love how it turns out, and this is the reason why I purchased it. Unfortunately, there was only one design, this one. Nothing else. I'm pretty sure that this brand have many others. I will check it. I will do my research and check it out. Look at that. Isn't it so festive, so Christmas-like? I love it. So this symbol printing is very clear, and as you can see, it is alphabetic. Nice, very nice. No round grids around it. Black grids around the symbols. So it also comes with the instructions. It comes with the standard set of tools, no Ziploc bags, by the way, and the drills. Now let's open the drills. By the way, as far as I see, there is no legend, but we do not need it because all the symbols are alphabetic. Unfortunately, the crystals, the gems, are acrylic, not resin. A lot of gray color. Look at that. So many shades of gray, some reds, and again grays. My God, a lot of grays, greens. whites. So I'm thinking of replacing, of course, some of the colors with ABs and crystals. Definitely I will replace the white one with white AB. Most likely I will replace the yellow one with the crystals if it goes to the windows of the church. So this is X. Let's see where we can see X, and X is on the lanterns. Perfect. Yeah, it would definitely I will definitely replace these drills with crystals to show the illusion of light. And yeah, there are no windows actually, only the lanterns, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Okay. Oh, and that's it. How many colors are there? You know what? There are only 14 colors. Perfect. I think I will work on this very kit once I'm done with my Christmas forest, whatever it is, white forest. And then I will work on this one because it's like a snack-sized kit, only 14 colors. I think I will diamond paint it pretty quickly. And as you can see, there are a lot of color blocking. This is a perfect mini kit just to have a break between bigger ones. So $7.99. You can either find it at TJ Maxx or just Google this Amy Hall gem art and see what else they have. I will definitely do my research and try to find more designs. If I find, I will definitely purchase it because I like the transparency and honesty of the brands that put the completed diamond painting kit on the preview of their boxes. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.